You know, you use one of these long enough and you discover things. I don't even think this is in the manual. This is called directions to me, and the prerequisite is that you have to know where the other person is. I'll explain. Let's just say you're there and you're on the phone with somebody and you need to give directions to where you are from where they are. And let's just say you know the address or approximate address of where that person is. I can tap, hit the little hamburger, and there it is. Directions to me. Now, you have to have an address of where they are. Thereabouts, wherever. You know, let's just say, I'll use the address of a Dunkin' Donuts that I know. Let's just say they're at a Dunkin' Donuts and they want to know where you are. So, okay, so that one is in McKinney, I believe. Okay, I think it is 3201 El Dorado. Oops. D. Oh, okay. Did it find it? It did. Yeah. And I'm going to select, and it's going to calculate. There's a bit of distance, which is why it's taking as long to calculate as it is. Avoid tolls, I'll say no for this one. Okay, and these are the directions from where they are to where you are, and you just read them off. Okay, go to Central, go to 75 South, exit 28B, and it gives all the directions here and arrive at where you are. And you can take a look at the map too. So I'll just zoom that out a bit. Oh, I should mention, I'm using this on a 56 LMT. I think this will work, obviously, on any modern DriveSmart. Probably on the 2555 and newer. I know it doesn't, this isn't on the 50LM. Yeah, I think it's from 2012 models and newer, possibly 2011 to present. So if you have like a 2360 or a 2455, 2555, or anything newer, you do have the directions to me. Kind of neat.